Hello, welcome to Crochet by Kunal. Today we will learn how to make these puffy crochet flowers. They are very easy to make and you can make one in under 5 minutes. You can stick them on your plushies, you can attach them on your clothes or decorate your mirror or anything with these. You can use any kind of thread, but they would look puffy if you use Chanel yarn. I'm using this by the brand called Himalaya, and the crochet hook I'm using is 5.5 millimeters. We will start with a magic circle followed by a chain stitch. I'm trying to keep the loop as small as possible because pulling the tail end of the Chanel yarn is kind of difficult. Now we will make 12 single crochets into the magic circle. Midway through, I will also pull the tail end and again keep the loop as small as possible. We will now finish it off with a slip stitch into the first chain stitch that we made. If you look at our circle now, it has 12 spaces, 12 chain stitches. We will be using 2 spaces for one petal, and at the end of our project we will have 6 petals in total. Our center circle is now ready. We can switch our color and start making the petals now. For that, directly insert your next color into the circle, chain 2. To start with our puff stitches, we'll do a yarn over, insert it into the same stitch. Make sure that the height is equal to the chain 2 length. Do that again and one more time. Now we've done it 3 times. Here we have 7 loops on our crochet hook. We'll do it once more in the next stitch. 1, 2 and 3. At this point you will have 13 loops on your crochet hook. We will do a yarn over again and remove it out from the first 12 loops, leaving behind the last loop. We will do a yarn over again, remove it out of these 2 available loops, chain 2 one more time and bring it to the ground level into the next stitch. So we've used our 2 spaces. Now we will use our next 2 spaces to repeat the same process all over again. Chain 2 followed by yarn over, insert, pull through 3 times into the first stitch, repeating the same process into our second stitch. At this point you will have 13 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over, remove it from the first 12, leaving behind the last stitch. Yarn over, remove it from the last 2 stitches, chain 2 and bring it to the ground level. We will now repeat all of this 4 more times, and at the end we will have 6 puffy stitches. We can now make 2 chain stitches and make a slip stitch into the first stitch that we used. In this way we will make a proper closure and all our petals will look even. You can snip off the ends, bring the tail end at the back and secure it with a knot. These flowers are very easy to make. You can make one in less than 5 minutes if you have a good speed. You can use these for decoration purpose mainly. You can even stick them on your plushies, you can stick them on your shirts, you can even stick them on the mirror, you can stick them on the walls, and the possibility is endless. Just try making this flower. If you happen to make it following this video, make sure that you tag me on your Instagram. I go by Crochet by Kunal on Instagram. If you want to watch more such videos, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and we will see each other in the next one. Thank you. Keep crocheting.